Hello, so here is trending app which is called PATIO College Chat. So just tap get to install it. It's only 61 megabyte in size. Pull up a chair and join us on PATIO. So yeah, you just need to confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID. PATIO is a private community for your college. We make it easy for college students and incoming freshmen to chat with classmates in a safe and welcoming space. With PATIO, you can join and create public or private groups, easily discover all the groups at your school with detailed profiles. PATIO is perfect for any type of group chat, clubs, classes, interests, roommates. A private community for your college, all your college chats in one place. Discover interests, clubs, classes, and more. You can find a group, create your own, browse classmates' profiles, and share your own. So there's a bunch of other apps like Me, Loop Chat, like of course Yik Yak, Be Real, but there's these chats which are specifically for college and for school. Yeah, it makes just a better experience. So you have a specific social app just for your school, and you're not adding that to your like Signal or to your Telegram or WhatsApp. So yeah, but let's just explore how this app looks like as soon as it downloads. The size is just 61 megabytes, so it's not that big. And the average rating is pretty okay, 4.6 out of 5 average review. Yep, so yeah, if you're using this app or if you have any experience with it, just drop a comment below. Just interesting to hear your opinion. Like what do you think about it? Yeah, overall that's that. For some reason it just takes time here on my Wi-Fi, or I don't know what happened. Okay, probably I'll just do another quick overview in the next video.